Kaaba, the gathering place of Muslims from around the world. The sacred center of worship. In the heart of Makkah, amidst the golden sands of the Arabian Peninsula, stands a structure that has remained a central place of worship for centuries. The Kaaba, a simple yet deeply revered cube-shaped building, is considered the most sacred site in Islam. Every day, millions of Muslims, regardless of nationality, race, or background, turn toward it in prayer, creating a spiritual connection that transcends borders and time, a universal gathering of faith. The Kaaba is more than just a direction of prayer. It is the destination of one of the largest religious gatherings in the world. Each year, millions of Muslims from every corner of the earth travel to Makkah to perform Hajj, an act of devotion that unites them in faith and humility. Dressed in simple white garments, pilgrims from diverse cultures stand side by side, removing all distinctions of wealth, status, and nationality. In this sacred place, humanity is reminded of its shared origin, its shared purpose, and the need for unity beyond differences, a symbol of unity and equality. The spiritual significance of the Kaaba is deeply tied to the idea of unity. It serves as a reminder that Islam is not bound by geography, ethnicity, or social class. Whether a believer is from a remote village in Africa, a bustling metropolis in Europe, or an island in Southeast Asia, their prayers align toward the same sacred point. This unity is most visible during the pilgrimage, where millions circle the Kaaba together in a synchronized motion, symbolizing the harmony of humanity in devotion to the Creator. Timeless reverence and connection. For centuries, the Kaaba has stood as a silent witness to the devotion of generations. It has seen the footsteps of prophets, kings, scholars, and ordinary people who sought spiritual fulfillment within its presence. Even in modern times, when technology and globalization have reshaped the world, the Kaaba continues to be a source of spiritual connection for Muslims worldwide. The emotions felt when standing before it, humility, awe, gratitude, are universal and timeless. Conclusion. The spiritual heart of a global community. The Kaaba is more than a physical structure. It is a symbol of unity, equality, and devotion. It reminds humanity of the power of faith to bring people together, despite differences in language, culture, and history. As millions continue to visit Makkah and pray in its direction, the Kaaba remains a testament to the enduring bond that connects Muslims as one global community.